Fixed surveillance cameras are limited in what they can see when it comes to managing and controlling public safety. This is where mobile surveillance can help. Cameras can go to where the action is and provide live, instant, full on-VIF compliant HD live streams back to a senior commanding officer in a remote control room who can give real-time directions from an existing video management system to officers on the ground. Introducing the Soliton range of lightweight Zao H.265 mobile encoders for encrypted live streaming that connects directly to the camera. H.265 is 50% more efficient than traditional H.264 encoders. In addition, the Zao Android app also allows an encrypted live stream from the camera phone. The VMS Plus system is a software decoder that is installed at the receiving end and integrates into a range of on-VIF compliant video management systems. The Zao systems utilize multiple 4G cellular networks and work reliably even in the most challenging situations, such as congested areas and low mobile signal areas. As well as public safety and law enforcement, mobile surveillance is used by first responders, Coast Guard, border control officers, and public transport officers. Want to know more about Soliton mobile surveillance? Please visit our website